You did it, Timmy! You out-torqued Jump!
On November 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, radio and TV stations will conduct a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. Your regular programs will be interrupted briefly. When you receive the test alert on November 9th, don't worry. Remember,
Bob and Millwood District paid in full within 36 months. Call Malamel at 1-800-Z-FLOOR. Afternoon sponsorship brought to you by The First Fight. You're kidding me. They say those were healed.
I am a medical miracle.
God can make a way when you don't see.
So there's a lot going on in our immediate viewing area. Let's go ahead and take a look at tonight's forecast. 10 o'clock p.m. after the news, there's going to be a temperature of 42 degrees. 7 o'clock a.m. to
107.5 WBLS. Your
This is your final warning. The end times are coming. This is when the attempt any criminality to dominate you. You must open your eyes and work and check the truth. Your government cannot be trusted. Your government is deceiving you. They are hiding us something extraterrestrial is coming to our planet and taking us with. Stand up and fight for your life. America cannot live on without you. This message will
But Wednesday at 1 is only a test. Mr. Martin Quinn.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and government authorities in coordination with the emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, federal, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. As this is a potential emergency, the attention to the signal just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming. This is...
Disneyland After Dark. Next, Inside Edition. Inside Edition is given access to Disneyland after the crowds go home. Behind the scenes of the happiest place on Earth. Next, Inside Edition. Tonight at 7 on Channel 4.
Motorcycle accidents cause terrible injuries. I'm right here at Extraordinary Ring, the injury lawyer. If you've been injured, call me right away.
Due to the President and all other members of the White House being deceased, a text-to-speech voice will be transmitted over the air. Please stand by. May God be with us all. Due to the President and all other members of the White House being deceased, a text-to-speech voice will be transmitted over the air. Please stand by. May God be with us all. Due to the President and all other...
This is not a test. There is a real ongoing emergency and you need to hear this message in order to save your life. Repeating, this is not a test. If you are hearing this message, get inside a room with little to no windows and doors. There are many reportings of unnatural entities roaming around every state in the United States, breaking into people's homes and searching for anyone alive to kill. These creatures maintain strong durability and cannot be easily killed, as they are reported to be immune to any forms of weaponry. If you are inside, lock all entrances and ventilation systems to your home and get to a room with little to no windows or doors. Hide yourself as much as possible so that the entities cannot find you. If you hear any knocking, do not investigate it. If one of your family members go missing, do not attempt to search for them. If you hear any noise from inside or outside, do not investigate it. If you see a figure from the corner of your eye, close your eyes immediately. If you are found, prepare for death. There is nothing you can do except facing the inevitable. They are here to exterminate the entire human population. Grab essentials that will last you up until the situation has ceased. The government is on the brink of collapse as this message is being delivered over the air. America cannot live without you. All regular programming will cease following the end of this emergency alert transmission. May God be with you all. Goodbye. Do not let them find you.
Oh man, done had to do it again. I done came in here with my brothers. I done came in here with 217. 217, say something.